Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. I'm Allison Alanna, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button on the way in. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching and supporting my videos. So in this video, guys, I'm about to just actually leave out to go to the store. I need some water. I don't know how a case of water is already gone in less than a week. It's been like 4 days since we bought that water, and the whole case is already gone. So I need some water, and I need toothpaste and just a few things for, like, you know, house care, household items, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out now. It's just me, August, and Ace. So we literally just walked out the door, and I'm tired already. It is so hot out here. It is so hot. This is just like ridiculous. Augie Bear is. Huh? No, I don't. Augie Bear, look. Augie. Look, have a good one. Augie. Augie Bear. So I just gave August this bottle of juice, right? He finished his ice cream, and he took it and just dumped it out all over the ground. Why? Because he saw this. So he decided he was going to dump his drink out all over the ground because he seen a bottle of water that he wanted to have. Y'all, it is so ridiculously hot outside. My hair started sweating. It better not start frizzing up because I'm not pressing it out again. Ugh. So I'm back home, and on the way home, a whole lot of stuff was going on. August doing all his little toddler stuff. And then some man pulled up. I don't know, y'all probably could hear him in the clip. And he talking about, oh, you too sexy to be out here walking in this heat. Am I the only person that get annoyed by dumb comments like that? What do the way that I look or the way you think that I look got to do with me walking? If you care that much, offer a ride. I was probably going to say no anyway because I don't be getting in nobody's car. But you talking about everything else. Oh, you having another little one on the way? What do that even matter? Do you want to give us a ride or do you not? Do you want something? Were you here to ask for a phone number? Were you here to say, oh, how much I got to cash up you so you can buy a nice dress and take me on a date? Like, what? Or take me on a date? Like, what did you really want? Because it seemed like you just came over there to be in my business. It's hot. I am more annoyed in the heat than I am at home. Okay? So, spare me. Right, spare me. Yeah, so that's that on that. The kids got ice cream and something to drink. And we didn't even go to the store we was actually supposed to go to because on the way down there, I saw my neighbor riding up the street on his motorcycle. So he told me that the store is closed because they don't have air conditioning. So I don't know what the heck going on around here, but yeah, I'm not feeling it. I'm really not feeling it at all. I asked somebody else that was outside on the way up because he said he actually hadn't been there, but he know over the last couple of days they was closed due to lack of air conditioning. So now I see somebody else outside, and they was like, oh no, they still closed. They're not going to reopen until next week. And I was calling them while I was walking up the street because I didn't want to walk all the way up there and then be blown that they was closed because it's too hot. And I walk up with 2 little toddlers. That's too much. I don't have time for inconveniences right now. So I didn't bother to go. But hopefully they reopen soon because that's like the most convenient store in my neighborhood where I could get a lot of stuff from that I actually need. All right, so it's about 2 o'clock. It's officially lunchtime for us, but it is so hot, bruh. I can't even bring myself to turn this stove on. Cause yeah, it's gonna be too hot in the kitchen, I should say. So the only thing I have really is stuff that I have to cook. We don't have no bread or anything because the little store I just tried to go to, they had the nerve to be closed. So I don't know what we're going to do. Today is like kind of like an annoying day, but I'm not even going to trip. I'm going to figure something out. The kids don't seem to be really too hungry anyway right now. So we'll figure something out. But that stove and that oven, they ain't gonna see me none today. Well, after careful evaluation, me and the stove has become one. Decided to just make some macaroni and cheese. I use this one, the box macaroni that I would typically make for lunchtime. So yeah, I just did that. Something that was gonna be quick so I wouldn't be in here sweating my hair out, sweating bullets, and hot and frustrated. Because it's just, today, the heat and I are just not getting along. But anyhow, we're gonna eat this for our lunchtime. Y'all, I'm in my room, okay? I'm in my room trying to pray and read my little toe-up Bible that my kids done toe up. And I'm just trying to have a moment to myself, study my word, and here come washing machine man ringing my phone down back to back to back to back. I'm so tired of him at this point. Like, he probably just as much as tired of me, but I know it can't be as more than I'm tired of him. You feel me? I'm ready to just pay this man off and move on with my life in the sunset. Like, I mean, seriously, the phone just ringing back to back to back. Like, it ain't that much bill collected in the world. All right, so it's hours later. It's like 10 o'clock at night. And I don't know. Today not a bad day, but I'm not like, today's a day. Just put it like that. Today is just one of them little days, you know? So I still want to make some Alfredo. It shouldn't take me too long to make it. It'll be a quick meal, kind of like fast, like spaghetti or whatever. So I'm going to just make that for us and call it a night. But before I do that, I'm going to show y'all my dress real quick that I got on. So this is what the dress look like. It got a split. And it's like not quite ankle length, but this is a find from Forever 21. Actually, I got this back a few years ago from Forever 21, and I haven't worn this in a while. And now I'm able to squeeze myself back into my size smalls because I've lost quite a bit of weight. So I'm glad I didn't get rid of this dress because it's actually one of my favorites. So yeah. That's what it looked like. This is my outfit of the day. Oh no. Hey y'all, it's the next day and I'm actually about to make us some breakfast. I don't know what I'm gonna make exactly yet, but I'm thinking I'm gonna do some eggs and turkey bacon. We don't really have a whole lot left in here. The food that I did buy did last for quite some time though, I will say that. But it's not really a lot left. I got some waffles. Maybe I'll do those because we barely even use the waffles. And we still got toasted strudels. So yeah, I'm going to make some turkey bacon and some waffles. I know August will eat that, the waffles. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started. All right, so this is all I found breakfast-wise. I got some toasted strudels, the waffles. There's like 2 eggs left in here. Some turkey bacon, and then I still got some turkey sausage crumbles. So I'm going to just make some stuff. Like I said, I think August definitely gonna want the waffles and maybe the crumbles too, because he don't like turkey bacon. So I'll make the turkey bacon for me and Ace, and then Ace probably want waffles too. And I'll probably just make me a sandwich because I do got a loaf of bread. So let's get started. Put my oven on to. Let's do 450 like it said to do. Alright, bam. So that's going to preheat. Then I'm going to go ahead and start the eggs. Are you ready to finish all your cheese? On. All right, so I'm putting the crumbles on first. Since Ace still asleep, I'm gonna make all this food while he in his chair waiting. And these don't take long at all. This oven is still preheating. Look at this. I put it for 450, but it's still on 325. One thing about these type of ovens, you gotta press the buttons and all that. They take forever to preheat. So that's that. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw the eggs in this pan. So, well, I ain't gonna give him no eggs. I'm gonna let Ace have those. So we're just waiting on this oven to preheat so he can have his waffles. All right, so my oven finally preheated, and I'm gonna put some waffles in the oven now, and I put one toaster strudel in there for me, like a little morning dessert for myself, because I'm just gonna eat a turkey and cheese toast sandwich. All right, so eggs done, turkey bacon is going, waffles just came out the oven. All right, so this is Ace's food. He got his waffles with syrup, eggs, and some turkey bacon. You ready to eat? All right, so we ate. Breakfast was great, but I got to go. Okay, so I will see y'all in the next vlog. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all haven't already done so. Hit the join button. The join button is what's going to take you to the membership tab, and you'll be able to join my channel as a member and get access to exclusive footage, badges beside your name to identify you as a member, and all types of exclusive footage and stuff back there that nobody else gets to see but you. So make sure you grab yourself a membership, as well as leave me a comment, hit a like on the way out, and I will see y'all in the next video.